Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. This is, I think, since the last time I did video, it has been a roller coaster. So just watch and be blessed. So the last trade I did was the last video before this. I think is the GU sales. So this was the G. Oh boy, come on. This was the GU sales. I took two GU sales on the 1 minute, looking at the daily, the 1 hour, and the monthly, daily 1 hour and 1 minute. So I think I might have taken the sales somewhere here. It was very, very, very demotivating. Somewhere here. So I must have taken the sales somewhere here. So obviously I will show the monthly. This is the monthly as of this time. Why is this not showing? This is the monthly as of this time. This is the monthly as of this time. Then just ignore these lines for now. So I'll get to that phase. This is the monthly as of this time, and this is the daily. This is the daily. So on yesterday's, okay, yesterday's bar. So this today is Saturday already, 6:03 Nigerian time. So that's GMT plus one, and this is the 1 hour. And this is the trade here. This one here, where is my? This one here is the trade. This one. So then go to the 1 minute. So you can see that my chart is not like looking what's it called? Looking what's it called? Like tiny and stuff. So I zoomed in, zoomed out, all those things. So this is it. So the trade obviously went against me. So that's what I'm going to show you here. Why is it not connecting? Okay, yeah, this is it. What is this showing? So this is it here. If I go to my NT5, I hope this portion of the screen is recording. So if I go to my NT5, then go to GBP, go to GBP USD. Yes, this is the trade. This one here, I suppose. So I close it manually. So this is the trade. So this was where it was taken. GBP USD charts. GBP USD. It's cool, way cooler this way, but it's GBP USD. Let me on my journal charts. Trade history. Okay, yeah. So this is it. So this is the trade. As you can see, this is the trade here. Entered here, exited here. Go to the 1 minute. And this is the trade. Entered here, exited here. So that's the GU. It went against me. What was I doing? I was looking at 1 month, 1 day, 1 hour, and I entered on. And I entered on 1 minute setup. So that's it. So then, as I was doing it like this, so I went to bed. Yes, I went to bed. Then I woke up in the morning for a London session. Then another new thing just sprung into my mind. So I tried putting on the psychological levels, as you can see here. I tried putting on psychological levels, as you can see here. So psychological levels using 1 month, 1 day, and 1 month, 1 day, and 1 hour instead. You can see all the psychological levels have drawn up. If you go to the monthly, you better appreciate it. So let me go to the monthly. This is monthly, so this is the cycle. This is the psychological level 1 day. So this is it. Then 1 hour. This is it. Blah blah blah. So this trade, this one you saw here, I didn't take the trade. Just there. I didn't take that trade. So the next trade I took, if you go to my, if you like from the video I posted, the next trade I took was USD JPY. But for USD JPY, I used 1 month. For USD JPY, I used 1 month, 1 day, 1 hour, and 5 minutes instead. So this was the trade. It's even it's TP. But I think I must have exited somewhere here. I exited somewhere. So on the 15 minutes, so looking like this is not a nice trade. On the 5 minutes, on the 1 hour, it was looking like this will not be a nice trade, but I wanted to do something. So this is 1 hour, how the 1 hour looks. Then the daily looks like this, and this is the daily. See the daily. So I was expecting price to come to this area instead before I can take an action here. Did it? It didn't come to this point here instead. And where are you? This point. Yeah, this close price, but you can see price didn't come to this level. You can see the gap. But on the 1 hour, I saw this candlestick, this pin bar, bullish pin bar. I just call it bullish pin bar. This candlestick, this one. Obviously, for me, it was not right to trade because obviously market has been trading downwards to go up, then come to keep on trending downwards. So it was not like fair to take the trade. But looking at the 5 minutes, 5 minutes, looking at the 5 minutes, yes. I'll go to the 5 minutes. Go to- Looking at the 5 minutes, looking at the 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, use this. Okay, looking at the 5 minutes, so I entered here, this area. This was the first like upward movement. Then price came down. Then this second upward movement, that's when I now took this position. And you can see surprisingly, even on this USD I also added psychological levels. Added psychological levels. These are the levels. You use it. Well, I just like left the chart. I just left the analysis. But anytime I take a trade, even if I go the usual way I still go about changing strategy and stuff, I just left this trade to just go on itself. So London session, but I took a trade on London session, which was GBP JPY. GBP JPY, I also set a psychological level on GBP JPY, but it isn't here because I didn't put it on this chart. It's on my other screen. My other screen. I didn't put it here. So it's on my other screen. So my other yes laptop. So USD GPY. Okay, GPY is there. Okay, yes, yes. So that's good. This was the trade I took. As price just broke above here for London session, I just took it. Yeah, I took it. So that's it. But I didn't wait for you. I think I must have gotten out somewhere or thereabout. So yeah. So what was annoying for GBP USD was that as I also saw this setup, you know that our stop loss was here. Stop loss was here. Yeah, I think yeah, yes, below the daily. This was how it looked on the daily. This was how it looked on daily. So I just kept it below the daily week. And this was how it looked on the monthly. So the good stuff. Okay, this is I'm sure I didn't do the chart here, but it's showing. It's showing like I did it, but I'm sure I didn't do the chart here. Or maybe it's saved analysis. It saved the technical analysis from way back. So I think from here, from where market was somewhere here. I think where market was somewhere here, this area. So that was by the way. So I took the GJs, which I will go ahead and show now. So let me show you GJ analysis. Yes. Yeah, GJ analysis. So this is the GJ trade. GJ buy. So this is it. GJ buy. This is the GJ buy. And where's the chart? This is it. I think this is better now, sir. Instead of showing you my screen, put my screen on the camera, I'll just show this. So this is the GJ buy that was taken from here. GJ buy was taken from here, this area here, then exited somewhere here. So that's it. So what made me like saying that these psychological levels don't work is because of on GU, this GU, maybe PUSD, on GBP I also thought of visit buying. I also thought of buying here. So let's should I let me just shrink this thing a bit. So I also was like when market was also here at the same time, I was like this would have been a good area to buy. So when you might have been a good area to buy. And stop loss maybe perhaps here below the low, below the low. So this would have been a good area to buy. So then I'll just even demotivated and just tired. So I just sleep. So this, I think this is what I do these days. If I'm just demotivated and tired, I just sleep, let the market do what it wants to do. So then I then woke up around what time did I wake up? I woke up, market was down here, this area. Market was down here. Yes, this area I was like shit. If I had taken a trade, that means it would have gone against me very, very, very badly, which will not be nice at all. But like this strategy doesn't work, blah 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 blah, all those kind of things. The truth is that there's several trillions, if I may say, of strategy posts. If you look at the monthly thing, with all these new candlesticks, look at daily, some look at weekly, 4 hour, 1 hour, blah blah blah. So I even tried looking at daily 4 hour, 1 hour to get a trade and all those things. But I'm at the point where I don't want to be looking at the long time frame because it's just too long. I want to like bring it down. So that's the thing. So for you, Jay, let me show you my USDJ point. So this is USDJ point trade chart. You can see market was entered here. You can see it and exited here. So that trade I didn't close it. So let me go to the 5 minutes. This is how it looks on the 5 minutes. This is market setup here on the 5 minutes. So this way entry was taken this area. Then exited. Yeah. Exited here. Anyway, this Saturday and the market is closed already and exited here. This is the balance from 5K. Market is balance is 6 to 50. That's like 8,000 for 8,250 profit. Yes, 8,250 profit. 8,250 profit. So I think that's all. So for now, I feel what I might be doing. What I might be doing. So I don't know. I feel because why you see this on the chart is because of review. So I think what I might be doing because there's one strategy I used to use. I think this time last year. I think this time last year I was still just someone how to trade. So I didn't want to. First was like he's going to come and learn. But I first went to his place. We discussed. Where I did was shooting my video. How I tried trading like Jeffrey Benson. So the person was coming to learn. I went to his place first. We discussed. We agreed on payment. I collected about 50,000 naira from him. So we agreed on payment. Then it was to come to my house. I would like teach him. I didn't want to teach him all this swing strategy because everybody wants something quick. All this long, blah blah blah. So surprisingly, I don't know how he knew where I stayed. This was in Calabar. You know where I stayed then? All of a sudden, I saw him in my house. I was like, oh, like, teach this man. That's when I now discovered the 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. So 1 hour, because there I used to, all my laptops, I had like 4 or 5 laptops then. So my laptops were working. So I had like six screens, but I was using only three. One, the bigger one of my TV then a monitor. I think this monitor, yeah. And then I think the other Chromebook. So yes, so that's what I was using. I was like on this time frame 1 hour, on this time frame 15 minutes, on this time frame 5 minutes. So you have to look at everything differently and simultaneously, not everything on one chart. Not that you be doing not that you be doing 1 hour, then want to do 15 minutes, then want to do 5 minutes. No. So all the thing has to be done separate charts and all those things. So now when you come into a session, then we're trading New York session because from after school activities, then you come to my place. Then New York session, and we're trading it. We're trading New York session. Then we'll try to get New York move. Now just get that way. We just look for one trend. For example, now if this beginning of New York session. New York session start by 1 o'clock Nigerian time. So this is beginning of New York session. So we will come here like this, all this area like this are New York session. From here to all this area are New York session. So we'll like look for your trend. So probably I might have just been looking at this trend here. Since this is New York session, the candlestick here and this other side. So okay, from here like this, from here to the past have all formed. Right from here, let me not use this. From here to the past have all formed. Right from here to here haven't formed. So what I would do then was that I will just look to private. So for example now, all these ones don't concern me because I'm looking to close in about 48 hours. So I'll just come here, somewhere here. Then my trend will be like this. This will be my trend from here to here. But I'll be careful because obviously it has not closed above here. This 1 o'clock council has not closed above here. Let me show you what I mean. So this at this point is at 1.35006. Then you can see it's below it. So I might be like, maybe I'll wait for it to break above, then wait for a buy here. Then go to the 15 minutes. But on the not go to on the 15 minutes to be open on another chart. So maybe as market just closed, as market just went above here, see it went during the New York session, then I would have been looking for buys somewhere. So I go to the 5 minutes. So the idea is that on the 5 minutes, I am looking for the idea that on the 5 minutes I'm looking for something like this. Since this is it's coming down now, so on the 5 minutes I'll be looking like for something like this. Maybe market to as market is dropping here, market is dropping here, drop here, something like this, something like this. Then I'm waiting for market to break above. You can see here will be like a point of buys on the 5 minutes. So the 5 minutes is way faster than the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, it might look like a just candlestick going up, like a bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing. So like a bullish engulfing says we are looking to buys. Then on the 1 hour, obviously 1 hour will be still forming. If you understand what I mean, 1 hour will still be forming. So then I'll just stick it in that anticipation that the 1 hour candlestick will close favorable. So and if the 5 minutes does not give me like in this example, come on, Zoo, like in this example, the 5 minutes does not give me that. For example, you can see that the 5 minutes didn't give me such thing. Instead, it just kept on. Instead, it just kept on going down and down and down and down and down and down. Since